What up, YouTube? This video is going out to my man Carlos T89, Carlos 89. Don't know how you do your name, but this video going out to you, homeboy. Asked me to show my settings for VirtualDj and DDJ SX. So here it goes. The first thing you have to do is make sure that your DDJ is set up in the in Serato mode. Leave it in Serato mode. Do not put it in other than Serato mode. With VirtualDj 7.4, you do not need to have it in other than Serato mode. Leave it in Serato mode. So the way you can check that is you hold shift and you hold the play button and you press it on. So I ain't got no tripod, so bear with me here. You hold shift and you hold play, and then you go around back and you press the power button. We got that all lit up. So to make sure that it's in Serato mode, this tempo range button, this button right here, that light should be off. If the light is on, it's in other than Serato mode. If the light is off, then it's in Serato mode. You want to have the light off. You want it in Serato mode. So that's in Serato mode. And let's check it and cut that off. Make sure whatever. Second thing, you want to make sure that the unit is powered up. Well, at least with mine. I'm using it with a Windows computer, Windows 8. Using it with Windows 8 computer. With mine, I have to cut it on first. Cut the unit on first. Make sure it goes through its lights and whoop-de-woo. Alright, that's on. Now I can cut on VirtualDJ. Start up VirtualDJ. There we go. Like I said, using 7.4. VirtualDJ 7.4. Got the DDJ SX what you call this thing? Skin. Got the DDJ SX skin on it. Or whatever. Also, you want to see pretty sure you want to see my sound setup. So these are my sound. This is my sound setup. So the output, master channel 1 and 2. Got it on headphones. Master channel 1 and 2. Headphones channel 3 and 4. Sound card ASIO. Like I said, I'm using a Windows computer. So I believe with Mac it might be a little different. I don't know. I don't know how the setup is with Mac, but this is it. What it is for Windows. So the ASIO driver is Pioneer DDJ SX. Hit apply. Okay. Then I can go down and select a track. Let's see what we're gonna play. It's Chicago. I'm from Chicago, so you know what I'm saying. We gotta do a Chicago song. You know what I'm saying. Here we go. A YP featuring King L. This is not my music. I'm just using this for educational purposes or whatever. Don't sue me. So this is it. It's all playing. Coming through the KRKs. I got the Zomo MC1000 over here too. Everything works. Jaw wheels work. The LED work.
Stepped out with my eyes lights on. It's like they turn them lights on. Yo, we see that I'm up. Yo, we see that I'm up. Yo, we see. Yo, we see. Yo, we see that I'm up. She suck up on my. I can't fuck with snake niggas. Shout out to them gorillas. From the street and I keep heating. I'm rotating like four.
But that's it. That's it, man. I hope this video helped you out. Like I said, once again, this is out to Carlos 89. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to DJ Esco. You know what I'm saying? Because without his first video, I wouldn't even know how to do this stuff. You know what I'm saying? Because I ain't good with reading. I don't read manuals and everything. I just plug the stuff up and get to playing. You know what I'm saying? Also, shout out to the Phantom DJ from VirtualDj. You know what I'm saying? They set up the original mapper for it, but with, like I said, with VirtualDj 7.4, you do not need to have you don't need to have the mapper. It's native to VirtualDj now, so all you have to do is just plug it up and it should play right. Hope this help out whoever, anybody else that don't know how to hook it up or having problems with it. That's how I got mine set up. So hope this help everybody out, man. Later.